big motherfucking can. Monster Energy. Go get one. Bike check. GT Comp Black. Get it. Number 1. Orange Barons. Generic. GT Wing Grips. 8.0 G. 8.0 Rise GT handlebars. GT front load stem. An orange. GT Comp frame. Kenny Corolla tires. Front and back. 2.10. Get 'em. Alex G 303 rims. Get 'em. Black GT spokes, alloy nipples, get 'em. GT sealed front hub. I don't know. Oh yeah, forks GT too. I already have. GT cranks, GT platform pedals. They're huge. I hate them. KMC 510 chain. I don't know. It's pretty decent, I guess. Black bottom bracket. Slim slime seat. I don't know why they put it on here for rails. That's just gay, but hey, you can't beat the price. I'm probably buying new in a little while anyway, so yeah. Give me some comment away on what type of seat and seat post I should get. Same tire in the back as it is in the front. Kenny Corolla 2.10. Same front rim, but in black. Same spokes. GT 9-tooth cassette hub. It's not really loud. And yeah, that's my bike. Can't beat the price, and yeah, here's what y'all been waiting for. Hopefully it's not a letdown. And yeah, here's what my hub sounds like.